Hey everyone, today I will show you an easy guide on how to easily get TV Mob on Firestick in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Head to Settings, then select My Fire TV or device and software, and go to Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, go to About and click on Fire TV Stick 7 times to unlock it. Next, toggle apps from unknown sources to on, or enable it specifically for downloader under Install Unknown Apps. Now install the downloader app. Go to Find, click on the search icon, and type in Downloader. Select it, then click Download or Get to install the app. Once installed, launch the downloader app. Now search by typing TV Mob, or you can visit a URL like firesticktricks.com/tvmob. Hit Go, then install the APK file. When installation is complete, select Done, and delete the APK file to save space. To access TV Mob, go back to your home screen. Navigate to your apps and channels, then tap See All, scroll down, find TV Mob, and launch it. For easier access, press the Options button on your remote and select Move to Front. And that's it. TV Mob is now ready to use on your Fire Stick.